Okay, so these brakes I actually found on Amazon, and basically they're drilled and slotted. We'll see how this goes. They were pretty cheap. They were like 200 something bucks. We got rotors. Fuck, these are heavy. Okay, so I've got all of the shit laid out. I mean, they don't look half fucking ass. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. They look pretty decent. These ceramic pads, we'll see how these are. But put the car in and then throw these fuckers on. All right, now that we got the car in, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I ain't never done brakes before. We're gonna give it our best shot. I don't think it can be too hard. I'm just doing pads and rotors. I mean, let's get at these fucking brakes. I think how I'm gonna go at this is I'm gonna do the rears first, and then once we got the rears done, swap the car around, do the fronts. Seems pretty easy. Damn, that is... Alright, here we got the new ceramic rear pads. Does that fit? Fuck, hold on. Yeah, I should have had the caliper kind of taken apart here, but it's my first time doing brakes, so I don't want to hear it. I can't really recreate it, but I guess who got that fucking rotor off? Me, motherfucker. A lot of YouTube videos, I'm understanding like how to do it now. The rotor was tripping me up, but we got it off. I'm gonna throw these on. Check this shit out. First rotor and set of brake pads are on. The part that I was mainly struggling on though, these bolts, there's two of them. Yeah, they've got like threads by the head of them, but then the rest of them is just like a post, I don't know, and hold the thing in place. But I got the whole piston thing figured out too, just had to push the piston out, but that looks kind of sick too. Definitely going to pick this up tomorrow because I'm not staying up all night. All right, it's the next day and back in the garage. It's freezing as hell in here. I'm gonna keep it a buck. It is cold as fuck. It's like 30 something degrees, but I finished that one, the passenger back wheel. I think it's working fine. I drove to school. Still in one piece, so I'm gonna assume that means we're good. Fuck. Check out this this parking from that table. Look at that. Here's the setup though. Got the diagonal parking in the garage so we could have some more space right here. Time out though. This rotor gotta go. I'm gonna pop the spacer off and then we'll get to the brakes. Yo, look how nasty this fucking caliper is. Okay, I got this part off. I'll set that over there. The traction arm will work. I'm gonna get this off now, and then we'll get the new rotor on, new pads on, that back on. Jacket's definitely coming off though. Fuck. God, what the f- Ugh. Let me flip. And then I'm just gonna throw this. Bro, I see the stud, come on. Hell yeah. It's so cold in here, you guys can see my breath. Alright, it's yet another fucking day. Another rotor. First I'm gonna throw my wheel on and then drive the car, see if they work. Motherfucker, bro. Oh my god. What the fuck was that? Oh, that's not even a bolt. Oh, fuck. Oh. I think that's good. It's in. Dude, I love how that looks. Maybe down the line, maybe like a little bit bigger of a rotor. Same with maybe just like a new brake setup in the future, but let's get old Bess on out of here. Rear brake rotors are now officially off the car. I just gotta do the front ones now. Okay, inexperienced brake rotor guy here. I don't think it's gonna be much different, but I'm gonna go at it the same way. I'm gonna loosen that and then take this like caliper. Hold up, ready? And whoop. Okay, really big problem. This piston will go in and then it'll retract. It's not retracting like at all. It's really easy to rebuild it after like looking at YouTube videos and stuff, but like I don't got the stuff to rebuild my brake piston. Check that out. All I had to do was just to get the piston down, I just loosened the bleeder valve and then bought this fucker. These were not doing it at all. This did the trick. Didn't have to do no piston rebuild on my brake. Whew. I'm not really gonna film doing the next wheel because I mean my storage is crazy fucking low. I gotta invest in like a camera or something, bro. I'm gonna get this John off. I'm all finished. Finally finished. This wheel was really good. We had 0 problems. That was flawless. But all right, I'm gonna see if we die now. All right, first test drive. Let's get at it. It seems fine so far. Okay, I'm gonna brake now. I think they're okay. We're gonna do a quick walk around. Sweet, bro. I'm glad these are working. So hyped. Completely by myself too, for like 200 something bucks. Completely changed the brakes. Hell yeah.